Hi all, this is Tim from Heartland Family Graphics, serving the large format printing needs of genealogists since the 20th century. This is just going to be a quick little video to show you how to accommodate changes, editing changes in your chart that may increase the size of the boxes. One of the things that can increase the size of a box is if you choose to increase the size of the text to make it easier for older eyes to see what you have there. To show you how this works, I'll select all the boxes by doing a Control A on the keyboard, then go over to the font size menu and select 16 for the font size. Now you can see nice and big, easy to read, but the boxes get bigger and pretty much defeats the purpose of the exercise by causing things to overlap. But we can go up to the tree, select orientation, and just redraw the chart by clicking the OK button, and there you go. The chart is redrawn and all the boxes have good spacing. With the bigger boxes, the pictures look a little small now though, so while everything is still selected, let's go up to the object menu and change the size of the pictures by choosing the size picture in box. We can go from 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch. Pictures look nicer, but we have overlap again. So what do you think we can do? Right, go up to the tree, orientation, and then click OK, and we have the boxes or the tree redrawn again, and we're good to go. Of course, redrawing the chart will also establish the proper box spacing if you happen to make box edits that make them smaller. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope that you'll think of Heartland Family Graphics the next time you need a chart printed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.